Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Duolingo app. If you want to change the app's language, here's how to do it. First, open the app and tap the course icon at the top left corner. To change your language, click on the plus symbol icon to add a new course. Now you can select the language you want to switch to. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find more language options. I'll choose this language and click Continue. It will take a few seconds to load, and just like that, the app language has changed. Very easy and straightforward. You can tap the icon at the top again to switch languages. I'll switch to English now by selecting it and clicking Continue. I initially selected French by mistake, so now I'm changing it back to English. Just scroll to find English, select it, then click Continue to confirm. That's it. Simple and quick. Thanks for watching.